STOR-N-LOCK Self Storage is conveniently located right next to the I-15 freeway, just north of 90th South. One of the first things you'll notice is our keypads and gates, which control access to the facility. Our multiple video cameras capturing site activity provide extra peace of mind when storing your belongings here. Our drive-up access units and wide aisles make it so you can pull your vehicle or moving truck right up to the door of your storage unit and easily move your items right in. To help with your move, we have a move-in truck you can use for free in the Salt Lake Valley. We offer a variety of convenient features like auto pay, month-to-month rentals, and we accept most major credit cards. For added peace of mind, our resident managers live on site and are happy to assist you with any storage questions you may have. We sell moving and packing supplies like boxes and packing tape, which helps make your moving day a little more convenient for you. With our clean and convenient location and fantastic online reviews, you'll know STOR-N-LOCK Self Storage is a facility you can trust. Reserve your storage unit today.